You want stop looking. She want to tell everybody hi. Look at me, Haley. Say hi. Oh, okay, she's saying hi, y'all. Okay, I'm going to now measure the front of Miss Haley's head. Turn around to mommy. No, this way. You are not tired, Haley. So we're going to go. 14 inches. Okay, y'all, so this is the right side of Haley's head. So it's stopping at a little bit past 14 inches. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to measure the back of Haley's hair, but I'm going to do the nape area separately because, as I've mentioned in a previous video, she did have like breakage, or more so this area was slow to grow because I was constantly pulling the hair, you know, in a ponytail and putting tension on this area, but now it's growing back since I've been keeping the little twist back here. So I'm going to measure this section separately and then measure up here. Okay, so put it right here and come down. So it's about 10 inches long. Okay, and for anyone that wants to see how long the nape area has grown, it's about to her waist. Trying to get her waist in the camera. So it goes down to about right here. And again, it has grown tremendously because I keep this area in the little twist. And I no longer pull up on the hair and try to put it in a ponytail, which again causes tension on the follicles. Okay, so now we're going to measure the back section of Miss Haley's head. And it looked like maybe I'll say about 14 inches, 13 and a half to 14 inches. And now we are going to measure the center of Haley's head. Be still, Haley. So it's going down to 15 inches.